probably heard about chatbots, those little tiny computer algorithms that can have a conversation with you. But one in particular has been taking the world by storm, ChatGPT. Chatbots are becoming more and more popular and even popping up in the world of finance. But what are they? And more importantly, could they really put investment bankers out of a job? I'm Heloise Greeff, one of eToro's most copied popular investors and visiting research fellow in AI and machine learning at Oxford. Today I'm going to explore what are chatbots, why is ChatGPT taking the world by storm, and what is the potential impact on the finance world. ChatGPT is an AI technology that has quickly become popular in trading and investing circles. It utilizes advanced data analysis to enable investors to make smarter decisions with their money. With ChatGPT, traders can take advantage of the software's sophisticated market forecasting systems to interpret financial data quickly and accurately. This essentially allows them to make informed decisions about when to buy or sell investments, based on market movements that they may not have noticed otherwise. ChatGPT takes the guesswork out of investing by helping investors anticipate changes in the market while allowing them to manage risk more efficiently. So what are some of the potential implications of ChatGPT on investment banks? Well, as chatbot-based technologies like ChatGPT become more sophisticated, there is no doubt that the potential for disruption in the world of investment banking and finance is growing. The ability to automate processes and reduce the need for manual labor may have a huge impact on the way banks operate, potentially reshaping both strategies and operations. Meanwhile, the use of predictive analytics and enhanced decision-making capabilities has potential implications far beyond simply streamlining internal banking processes, allowing firms to benefit from increased automation while focusing their resources on more value-add activities. By leveraging previously untapped sources of data as well as new software that pieces it all together, investment banks might be able to fling open a realm of possibilities altogether. So why are some experts saying that ChatGPT will kill investment banks? ChatGPT is quickly becoming the talk of finance and investment circles, with some experts proclaiming that it could be the end of traditional investment banking as we know it. On the surface, ChatGPT might simply seem like a new trend that has been all too easily embraced by enthusiasts and pundits alike. Yet, its potential impact on financial markets cannot be understated. By using sophisticated intelligent algorithms and artificial intelligence to analyze large datasets more accurately than people could, ChatGPT cuts out the middleman, potentially rendering many modern financial institutions obsolete. Only time will tell how successful this budding technology will be, but the one thing is certain: ChatGPT has created a wave of excitement amongst investors. As somebody who uses AI and machine learning in my investment strategies, I'm really intrigued by ChatGPT and its potential to shape the future of investing and financial market. It seems like an exceptionally powerful tool that can provide greater accuracy, efficiency, and transparency for many stakeholders, essentially making the use of AI and machine learning in investing a lot more accessible. I'm excited to see how this technology will be implemented on a larger scale and how it could fundamentally change the way we invest and navigate the financial markets. It's definitely something to keep an eye on. ChatGPT is an exciting new technology that could revolutionize the world of investing and financial markets. Its potential implications on investment banks, both positively and negatively, are sure to have far-reaching consequences that we can only begin to speculate about. While some experts are suggesting that ChatGPT might be a death knell for investment banks, we can see why others think it'll be beneficial for them. Whatever your opinion might be, it's important to understand how this technology works in order to efficiently assess its impact and employ it in your own strategies if you choose to do so. There's no denying that ChatGPT has come onto the scene with a bang, and it will be fascinating to keep an eye on how it continues to evolve over time. What do you think will be its impact on the financial markets? Subscribe and follow for more content on AI and machine learning related to investing.